Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost.
Now, if you are a business in 2023, more than likely you have heard to open your new entity in states like Wyoming, Nevada, or even Delaware. Now, the reason that people do that and our advice to actually do this is because, for example, Wyoming is one of the states that does not require a filing fee to be paid to complete the process of incorporation. Not only that, there's also tax shelters that you can have by incorporating in the states. Now, if you're a business that chose to incorporate your new entity in the state of Wyoming, I want to go ahead and today show you and tell you certain perks that you have when it comes to gaining and building business credit, but at the same time gaining business loans and credit. Now, starting a business can be a daunting task. And one of the biggest challenges that entrepreneurs face is finding the financial resources to get their business off the ground. Now, unfortunately, you have a variety of business loans available in Wyoming. If you are one of these businesses that chose to incorporate in the states, they can help you provide necessary capital to start and grow your business. Now, let's go to the meat and potatoes of this video. Let's talk about the business loans options that you have in the state of Wyoming. Now, the state of Wyoming offers the Wyoming Small Business Development Center loan, which will help you develop and start your new business if it was incorporated in these states. You also have the Economic Development Loan Fund. You also have the Infrastructure Development Loan Fund, the U.S. Small Business Administration, or the SBA 7A loan program. You also have the SBA 504 loan program, which is one of the best SBA programs. This type of SBA loan allows the business to be able to purchase a real estate property as part of the purchase for the business, as long as you have a standing structure in within the real estate. Now, you also have regular bank loans, you have your credit union loans. Like any other state, Wyoming also has the ability for you to gain or have angel investment, venture capital, and also crowdfunding. There's really no restrictions towards this. One of the good things is one of the unique ways that you can also have and gain money for your business is through grants. So there's specific grants that the Wyoming Business Council has. The SBA Small Business Innovation Grants are available, which is the SBIR, and the Small Business Technology Transfer, which is the STTR program. That can help you if you are in a business in which you do research or technology. So as being part of the state and having incorporated in the states, you are able to tap into this type of funding. The SBDC can also offer a range of trainings or educational programs to help you stay current on the industry, the trends, and the best practices for your industry. Now, these programs cover topics such as marketing, financial management, and business planning. This is very essential for businesses today in order to stay afloat and make it in 2023. Now, another option that you have as a business incorporated in Wyoming is the Wyoming Business Council, which offers several loan programs for businesses in the state. Now, these include an Economic Development Fund loan, which provides a low interest loan for businesses that create or retain jobs in Wyoming, and an Infrastructure Development Loan Fund, which provides finances for infrastructure projects that support the economic development. Now, let's tap into the Small Business Administration, or SBA, in the state of Wyoming. Now, they offer several loan programs for small businesses. Now, these include the 7A loan program, which provide funding for a variety of business purposes, like including startup costs, expansion, and working capital. The SBA also offers the 504 loan program, which provide long-term fixed rate financing for major assets such as real estate and equipment. Wyoming also have many local banks and credit unions that cater to small businesses. Many of these institutions have loan programs specifically designed for small businesses, and they may be more flexible in the loan requirements and terms compared to the larger chains and A1 national banks. Now, it is worth reaching out to several banks and credit unions to compare your loan option and to see which one is best for you and your business. Never forget this. As a business, you need to make sure that you compare your competition and be able to shop which one will be better for you. Now, in addition, the traditional bank loans are several alternative lenders in the state of Wyoming. These include lenders like micro lenders or peer-to-peer lenders. Now, alternative lenders may have more streamlined applications process or faster turnaround times, but they may cost you a little more. So always keep in mind that you have what's called the unconventional and conventional lending, especially in the state of Wyoming. Now, let's talk about government grants. Government grants is another option that you have available as a business to get lending in the state, but the eligibility requirements are a little more stringent. The Wyoming Business Council offers grants for specific purposes such as training and education, research and development, and sport promotion. Now, the SBA also offers grants to the Small Business Innovation Research and the Small Business Technology Transfer Program. In addition to loan and grants, there are several financial options available for business in the state of Wyoming, like crowdfunding, venture capital, and angel investment. Now, crowdfunding allows a business to raise small amount of money from a large pool of people, and typically through an online platform. Now, venture capital and angel investment involve investors providing funding in exchange of ownership and a stake in your business. Let's talk about some of the industries that are eligible for a business loan in the state of Wyoming. They are the manufacturing industry, the retail, service, agriculture. Now, you also have the construction, technology, healthcare, hospitality, education, transportation, arts and design, energy and natural resources, finance and insurance, government, nonprofit, real estate, professional service like accounting, legal consulting, telecommunications, wholesale and distribution, environmental and sustainability, and lastly, you have marketing and advertising. Again, it is important to learn how programs can vary from state to state and from specific loan programs to specific loan programs. Now, today, if you are a new business owner, if you just incorporated your business either in Wyoming or any other state, one of the main things that we urge you to learn is business credit. Business credit is one of the foundation legs of your business. It's something that is going to keep you afloat in the upcoming years going forward, because remember that 2 out of 3 business always go out of business within the first 3 years. Don't be one of those. Learn how to develop the business credit that your business deserves and that you deserve, so you can have the freedom that you deserve as well. Now, guys, I appreciate your time. Here at Estrada Vega Capital, we want to help you. We want to make sure that you understand how to develop business credit, get the lending that you need, and the specific program that is best for your industry and for your company. If you need help, do not forget, make sure that always call our number, which is 516-600-0127. Now, if you want to read more on this topic, you could go on the bottom of this video. We are going to post a link to a blog that will go more into detail about Wyoming and many programs, loan programs that are available for you as a company if you are interested or if you have incorporated in the state. We appreciate your time. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I'm the CEO of Estrada Vega Capital, and I want to make sure that if you actually gain some value from this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, share this video with a friend, with a loved one, or another business partner, someone that you know is going to gain some value from this. Please give it a thumbs up, because that's going to help us out with the algorithm on YouTube, and it's going to take this video to many other people that can actually find some value as well. Until the next time, once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega, and we'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big boss, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?